Hi everyone, day 31 of the UK January Locksport challenge and last day of the challenge. So I've got a Viro which I picked up today. It's an eBay purchase and I'm going to give it a go. There's people out there who've been watching this every day. You'll be glad to know I probably won't be doing daily videos for a while. It's been quite exhausting and stressful doing it this way. But I am hoping to do a bit more than a little less sporadic. For those who don't know, I kind of stopped making videos because I had quite a bad eczema attack and it left me feeling very self-conscious about the state of my hands. So, I'll set something again, so let's reset that. That's it, the last lock of the month done. Now, what I will be doing next is concentrating on sorting this lock out, which is a Robur lock, as you can see. It's 5-pin, but it has got a sidebar. They're sold as a safe lock on eBay, so I'm going to try to open it. So what I'm going to do is probably take this one apart, have a look at the contents of it, which may be the next video I do, and then we'll go from there, see if I can pick it eventually onto camera, which would be great fun. Okay, take care, thank you for sticking with me for the month.